basket? Yeah, sure. Come on down, guys. We're about to go to the beach. Yay, let's go. Coming, Dad. Coming. Come on outside. We'll get into the car. Okay, I'll help your mother load up the stuff onto the roof. Here you go. Okay. Thanks, honey. Yay, we're finally here. Alrighty. Come sit down, guys. The chihuahuas should be here any minute now. In the meantime.
Alright, who wants to come to me to get some food for the market? Because we're going to the beach. We're coming. Ugh, whatever. Okay, guys, come on, let's go. Get into the buggy. Yeah. Now I'll just go get the bag and we can go shopping. 5 minutes later.
Good morning.
Good morning. You guys stay here. Alright, get some food. Perfect. Thank you for letting me shop here.
Bye.
5 minutes later. Shopping's done. Come on, guys, you gotta come down. We're going to the beach with the hamsters. Coming. Alright, 5 minutes later. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Come on, kids, get into the car. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's get going to the beach. Half an hour later. Come on, guys, let's get out. They're right down here. Alrighties.
Hi.
Hi. Delicious.
5 minutes later.
Let's go in the sea.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait. I don't feel well. What's going on? I don't feel well, Mommy. Okay, we better go then.
Bye.
Now, where were we?
No, wait. Honey, is everything all right? Come on, we have to go. Quickly to the doctor's. Come on, quick. Come on, honey. She was stung by a jellyfish on the beach.
Oh my. Come on, let's get that cream in there.
I'm never going to the beach again. At the chihuahuas.
Come on, guys. Oh, honey. Ew. Oh, honey. Come on, I'll wipe that off. I'm going to get some stuff. Ew. Alright, got the cleaning stuff. Clean. Right.